Recording the sewer line here at 3601 Northeast 10th Street in Redton, Washington today. It is July 21st, 2021. I'm making this recording from the newly installed dual sweep cleanout access here on the side of the house, back corner of the house. What you're looking at there is the city main sewer running out in front of the house, down the middle of the road there. We're going to come back from that city main and get a look at this line. So we installed a dual sweep clean out here at the corner and then jet cleaned the line. So this is after cleaning the line. This is an original 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line. We had replaced a section here in the corner that had some root intrusion coming through, and the turn was starting to degrade a bit. So we replaced the section at the turn back here and then installed this dual sweep clean out so that it can be maintenanced in the future. This is all original line here. See a little minor amount of standing water in that area. We come back up into the 4-inch line here and into our PVC here. Then we come back. So there's the this is the new section of piping here and the dual sweep clean out. And we're going to go upstream. And when you go upstream, you go directly into existing black plastic, I'm assuming ABS piping. And there's a stretch of ABS as we go back up towards the house. This was all existing. This was not installed by Bob Oates. The only section that was installed by Bob Oates was the white PVC section. Then we're back into the cast iron inside the house. There's the vertical stack heading up the bottom of the screen there. Alright, I'm going to end the video there. We've seen the sewer all the way from the house all the way out to the main at this point.